How to edit vertical videos in CapCut for shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can edit vertical videos in CapCut for shorts. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First of all, locate your CapCut and open it up. On your CapCut, tap on New Video to start creating a new project. Then what you'll now need to do is choose a video. So let's choose a video. So the easiest way is by actually choosing a vertical video from the very beginning. So if you choose a vertical video, you can tap on Add and the video will be added. And there you can see you can now make simple edits. So this is pretty simple. All you have to do is import the video and start with the editing. What you can do also is just head over and select your video. So tap on the crop option right here. After you choose on the crop option, you'll find the aspect ratio. Select 16:9. And after you do that, it will now simply make your video into vertical. Now let's try this with a horizontal video. So there you can see this video is actually horizontal. To change it into vertical, simply select the clip. Go ahead and search for the crop option and choose 16:9. And now you can just adjust this and then tap on the tick button, and that's basically it. And that's how you do it, guys, and that is how you edit vertical videos in CapCut for Shorts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.